This video explains how to configure the Airprint for Xerox B105, B115 multifunction printer, and Xerox 110 printer. Airprint is a software feature that allows for driverless printing from Apple iOS-based mobile devices and macOS-based devices. Airprint-enabled printers let you print directly from a Mac, an iPhone, or an iPad. Note that the wireless devices must join the same wireless network as the printer. Open a web browser, type the IP address of the printer, then press Enter. In the embedded web server, select Login and enter the administrator username and password. Select Properties, Network Settings, Airprint, and enable Airprint. To change the printer name, enter a new name in the Friendly Name field. To enter a location for the printer, enter the location of the printer in the Location field. Enable raw TCP, IP, LPR, IPP under Network Settings. Enable MDNS under Network Settings. Select Apply and restart your printer. Select System Settings, Printers and Scanners in your MacBook. Then select Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax, and select IP in the Add Printer screen. Enter the IP address of your printer in the Address field, which automatically generates the name and use. Validate it and click Add. If your printer has fax capabilities, you will get Add as Fax Printer. Notification. Click Not Now. Your printer will get added under Printers. Click on your printer IP address, check the configuration, and close.